Hi, we will meet 5 Hindi words. Learn 5 Hindi words with me daily. Hindi to English or English to Hindi. Hello friends, I am Manju Gupta from India. I am a Hindi teacher. I will bring you some Hindi words which is used in daily life. So you will learn and write also in this video. Let's watch and start. This video is Hindi for beginners, fun and easy learning. I will repeat 2 times and you will also after me. Okay? Just see. Namaste. 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 Namaste means hello. 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 Namaste. Namaste. नमस्ते नमस्ते मित्रों हेलो फ्रेंड्स थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू धन्यवाद थैंक यू धन्यवाद when someone helps you say धन्यवाद thank you it means thank you धन्यवाद 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 next word is please please कृपया 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 प्लीज प्लीज सिट डाउन कृपया बैठिए कृपया बैठिए कृपया मीन्स it is a polite word कृपया means it is a polite word कृपया means it is a polite word water water पानी पानी water पानी water पानी पानी I need water मुझे पानी चाहिए मुझे पानी चाहिए घर घर होम होम घर 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 This is my home. This is my home. यह मेरा घर है यह मेरा घर है Today's words recap. Let's check how many words today we learn. So, namaste, namaste, hello, धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद, thank you, कृपया, कृपया, please, पानी, पानी, water, घर, 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 home. So, how many words we learn? Namaste, धन्यवाद, कृपया, पानी, घर. So, We'll check how many words you understand now. Just check. What is water in Hindi? Tell me, what is water in Hindi? So many options in front of you. Ghar, pani, namaste. How many options in front of you? Three. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. Can you answer? What is water in Hindi? Yeah, pani. Pani. Very good. Great job. Subscribe for day 2. Learn Hindi every day.